Hi, my name is Bianca Dobbs, and I will be creating an engaging quiz with Quiziz. And so in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a fun, interactive quiz using Quiziz. Let's get started. So first you go to quiziz.com and you can create an account absolutely free. Most school districts have a licensure with Quiziz, and it's inside of Clever. And so you just go to create, and as you can see, you can create assessments, lessons, flashcards for studying, but we're going to do an assessment, and we're going to create from scratch. You can generate 8 questions. You can choose between multiple choice passages, open-ended questions, fill in the blanks when to do multiple choice. Some of them are not available unless you have like a premium subscription, but the ones that are free are good enough to start with. I do have a slight lag here, and so you type your first question here, and we'll say, what does theme represent? For the sake of, since most of my lessons have been around theme. And I'm going to check the correct answer. You can add pictures if you like. You can add one picture. I'm going to search from the Quiziz database for the word theme. For time's sake, I'll just take that one. Alright, and you can change the points on it, how much time you want to give your students on it, the question. And once you have saved your question, we're going to just do one. I'm going to go ahead and publish. Title the quiz theme. Subject, you can do English, grade level, 8th grade. So I have a lot for 8th grade, and we'll go ahead and publish. You can also add a cover image to your quiz, and when you publish your quiz, we're going to hit start now. Skip this. Classic mode, and we're going to go ahead and start so that it can generate us a code. And it's going to generate a code. This is the code that your students will put in to join the game. What I love about Quiziz is that you can use it for formative assessments, homework assignments, like some type of review before quizzes. 242. Alright, and then student. And then it gets in the question, student answers the question. And of course, if you have more questions, it will generate those questions. The student answer, you move on to the next question. Your scoreboard, you're able to see the data immediately. You can also download your class into Canvas. And it will automatically import into PowerSchool if you set it up like that. You can email parents with progress. Quiziz is a really cool tool. And that's it. Quiziz makes learning fun and interactive for everyone. give it a try and see the difference in your lessons. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial with creating an engaging quiz using Quiziz.